There's a reason your first bite of banana feels like a slow Sunday morning kiss. Sweet, soft, and quietly familiar. It's not just flavor, it's chemistry. Bananas carry tryptophan, an amino acid that whispers to your brain, make serotonin, the same hormone that lifts your mood and melts stress away. Their smooth, velvety texture triggers your brain's safe touch response, the same comfort you feel when someone holds your hand a little too long. In America, this golden fruit became more than a breakfast staple. It became a symbol of easy joy, the go-to smile in lunchboxes, road trips, and lovers' picnics. Its curved shape, its tender peel, its soft scent, everything about it says gentle pleasure without guilt. Next time you peel one open, slow down. Let it rest on your tongue. Because your body isn't just tasting sweetness, it's remembering what happiness feels like in nature's language.